How to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. So I've done, open quick setting panel, click on power button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check net. Again open settings, click on connections, check Wi-Fi, turn on or turn off. Now go back, scroll down, click on data usage. Here you will see mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data. After turn on mobile data, access the internet through your mobile network. Now go back. After that, turn off power saving. Again open settings, scroll down, click on battery, and if you want to turn off power saving, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off power saving from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update or install option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.